Hey everybody, it's Troy here with Dirt Road Dancing, and this is by popular request. We are going to do Backstreet Attitude. This is done to the song Everybody by everybody's favorite boy band, the Backstreet Boys. Now it's a 32 count, 4-wall dance, so we got a lot to go over. But before you get into it, make sure you click on that subscribe link down below so you can join us for any of the other great tutorials. Otherwise, let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna teach you a couple different ways. So the first, I'm gonna turn around so you can see what my boots are doing, and then we'll talk about how to change walls. All right, so we're facing this wall. So the first thing we're gonna do is kind of like a kickball change, but it's gonna be kick, ball, tap. So you're gonna kick right for 1 and, placing weight on the right foot, back 2. So it's 1 and 2. Then you're gonna tap 3 and, 3 and. Now, as you lift that foot, you're gonna turn on your right toe, throw your left shoulder back for 4, and see if you can hold it, all right? So let's try it again. Again, you're just gonna kick right and tap, 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 kick. And then placing all that weight on that right foot, back on your heel, kicking that left foot out. Let's do that just with counts. Here we go, 5, 6, kick right, go, kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Awesome. Now from here, you'll be facing the back wall. So I'm actually gonna turn around so you can see exactly how my boots are working, so you can see how this works. So you just did your tap, tap, kick, and your left foot is out. You're gonna take your left foot, cross it over your right in a back step for 5, step back and step out 6. So left foot up, you're gonna go 5 and 6, take your right foot, stop for 7, and then you're gonna stop down for 8. All right, so that left foot up, let's take it with the cross step back. You just did your tap, tap, turn. You're gonna go 5 and 6, scuff 7, stomp 8. Okay, so let's put that all together for the full 8 counts. I'm gonna start facing this way though. So we're gonna kick and tap. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, scuff 7, stomp 8. All right, now you got your first 8 counts. So let's go into the second 8 counts. This one's a little bit easier and a whole lot of fun. So what you're gonna do is you just did your stomp, right? Now you're gonna do a 4 count, move forward for 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, you can add a lot of variation to that. You can wiggle 1, 2, 3, whatever you want to do, you just, however, I don't really care, okay? So you just did your stomp 8, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I do a little wiggle. Now from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'll show it facing this way, your body rolling. Pulling your chest through for 5, 6, 7, 8. And you're back on your left foot when you're all the way through. So you roll at 5, 6, 7, 8. Some people like to do double body rolls, whatever you'd like to do, it's fine. Just make sure, move forward 4 counts, roll it back 4 counts. Here we go. Right foot is forward, left foot is back. You just did your stomp. 5, 6, bounce it 4, bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8. You're back on that left foot. Okay, let's do the first 16 counts. Again, we're gonna face the back wall so that when we turn around, you can see what's going on. So here we go. Kick right and tap. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, tap 3, turn 4, cross 5, out 6, 7, stomp 8, forward 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do it a little more to tempo, just so we can kind of get up to speed a little bit. It's not a hugely fast song, but it definitely is faster than that. Here we go. Kicking 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, scuff 7, stomp 8, bounce it 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, first 16 counts are done. So let's go on to the next set of 8 counts. This is where we get to have a little fun with our footwork. We're gonna do what's called a Charleston step. So you just did all your back here. Now, some Charleston steps are a little different. I'm gonna show the simplified version. You're gonna take your right foot, sweep back for 1, sweep back 2, and this is a tap, don't place weight on it. Swing it forward for 3, 4. So you're sweeping 1, 2, 3, 4. Now some people like to do what are called, I think they're called apple jacks, where you're 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a lot of movement for me. So whatever variation you like, go with it, have some fun with it, all right? So you just did your body roll, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, sweep, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, you're gonna start your wall change. You're gonna step back with your right for 5, make a quarter turn to your left, and together 6. So it's a quick step, right? So you're forward, or you just finished your sweep, no weights on it, you're gonna go 5, turn 6. Then you're gonna do a weave step. You're gonna take your left foot behind, 7 and 8. So that's 7 and 8, you're going here, you're swinging your left foot behind for 7, step out with your right and cross forward 8. Remember that weave count is when it goes forward and back. All right, so let's put it together, let's walk it through. This is your body roll. You're sweeping in your Charleston, so right foot sweeps back, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, quick, 5, turn 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's do it a little bit faster with our counts. If you want a body roll, you can. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, quick, 5, turn 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's put all 3 sets of 8 counts together before we learn our final set. So kicking right, again, we'll face the back so you can kind of see what we're doing. Just remember, you're gonna be doing this to all the walls. Kicking right, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, tap 3, turn 4, cross 5, out 6, 7, stomp 8, bounce it 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, Charleston step, 1, 2, 3, 4, quick 5, turn 6, behind 7, cross 8. All right, let's do it one more time just to get it in there. Plus the fun song. All right, here you go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, tap 3, turn 4, cross 5, out 6, cuff 7, stomp 8, bounce it 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, 7, 8, Charleston 1, 2, 3, 4, quick 5, turn 6, 7, and 8. All right, you are now down to the last 8 counts. The best part is there's no restarts, no tags, so this is our last step, all right? I'm gonna change the angle just a little bit again so you can see exactly what's gonna happen. So from here, you just did your 7 and 8. Now you're gonna slide to the right for 1, 2, clap, 3, and. There's a couple different variations on this. I like the 3 and, be silent on 4. Okay, so we're just gonna do that again. Left foot cross, slide to your right, slide 1, 2, 3, and hold 4. Then you're gonna do a turning grapevine, 360 for 5, 6, 7, together 8. The way that turn works, when I step out to my left, I'm gonna prep my turn. So I'm stepping into it over my left shoulder for 5. Turn 6, basically a half turn. Continue the quarter for 7, then bring my right foot together for 8. Okay? So let's put that whole 8 count together. Left foot is crossed, slide to the right. 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, 2, clap 3 and 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Every time those feet come together, remember you're gonna stomp, you're gonna clap, you're gonna do both. Whatever works for you. All right? Let's do it one more time. Left foot is crossed. Here you go. 5, 6, 7, slide. 1, 2, clap 3 and 4. Turn 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now you know the entire dance. So let's go ahead and put it all together, knowing that we're gonna be facing that left wall first time we do our slide steps. All right, ready? I know you are. Let's do it. Here we go. Face the back wall, kick and tap turns. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, tap 3, turn 4, cross 5, out 6, go 7, stomp 8, bounce it 1, 2, 3, 4, roll 5, 6, Charleston step, slide 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, turn 6, behind 7, cross 8, slide 1, 2, clap 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and then you restart the whole thing. Kick and back, tap, tap, turn. So here's the deal. Practice that a lot, okay? Let's do it one more time. Up the tempo. See what we got. Let's face the back wall when we do this, just for fun. Why not? I could edit it, but you know what? We're just gonna have some fun. Kick and back, tap, tap, turn. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6. Got 7, stomp 8. Bounce it 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll 5, 6. Charleston step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn 6, 7 and 8, slide 1, 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8, kick and back. Didn't I tell you that was going to be a blast? Now you know why it's been such a popular request. But now it's time to dance out. So if you're ready, get everybody together, get a little bit of attitude, channeling your inner Backstreet Boys. Click on that link right there, and it's going to take you to the Dance It Out video where you can dance with me to the song. Thanks, guys.